Welcome to the beautiful world of watercolor flowers. In this class I will show you how to paint simple yet stunning pink tulips. Hi, my name is Alexandrina and I am watercolor artist with over 10 years of painting experience. Painting with watercolor can help you to ease your mind and find some peaceful activity, which allows you to relax and paint something beautiful. You can create hand-painted cards for your loved ones or paint these beautiful flowers to decorate your home. We will start with color mixes and art materials. Before we move to painting, I will show you a simple exercise to practice some of the watercolor techniques like wet on wet technique, lifting colors, and creating thin and straight lines with any size of the brush. Then we will move to drawing a sketch and finally painting with watercolor. This class includes two projects. The first one is with a simple flower that every beginner can paint. The second one will be more complex but still quite simple if you follow all the steps I mentioned in the beginning of the class. In the end of the class, you can share your painting on Instagram and tag my account artcardgov to be featured on my stories. And remember, your feedback is invaluable, so please share your thoughts in the review. It will help other students to understand if this class is a good fit for them and for me to improve my future classes. Hope to see you in the class!